Hi guys, welcome back to Math Tutors. So today we'll be doing the next bit of our syllabus for 2017 elementary mathematics. We'll be doing map skills. So we'll be focusing on distance, which is the linear scale, and then the area, which is the area scale. Okay, so let's start. So basically, what you need to know that map scale is the ratio of the length of the map. So map to the actual distance it represents. So map is to actual here. Okay, for example, this. Okay, so usually if they give it to you like that, okay, the linear scale like that, it would mean that 1 cm on the map represent 400,000 in real life. Okay, this is actual, so it means that in real life. Okay, important. And then the area, so you simply just take 1 squared, so it's 1 times 1, okay, area. And then this is 40,000, 400,000 times 400,000. Okay, so this will give you the area scales in cm square, and then 1 cm square. Okay, so great, let's move on. Let's just try the first example. Let's just go straight to examples so that you know. So this is a very standard O-level question that I'm doing here. Okay, but this is slightly trickier because this one, as you can see, they give you the area first, okay, and then they give you the actual area, and then they give you the area represented on the map here, which is 18. So this is the map one. Okay, and then this is the actual. So they want you to find the scale. So as you can see, this one here is the linear scale. Okay, it's not area scale. Okay, if they give you an area scale, it's easy. Okay, so they give you a linear. They want you to find the linear scale. So what you do first is that you put it from what is given here. Okay, the map and the actual one. Okay, you can write it in this way, which is the area scale, and then 18 and 112.5. Okay, and what you get is 1 is to 6.25. Okay, so you simply take 112.5 divided by 18. Okay, so that's it. So what you want to do now is that you want to convert this kilometer square to centimeter square. Okay, because this n here is in centimeters. Okay, same as this 1 here. So you can't have like 1 cm is to something km. You want to have 1 cm is to something cm. Okay, so what you do here is that you convert square to cm square. So how do you do it? So first, usually I don't memorize this part at all. I don't memorize that 1 kilometer square is equal to 10 to the power of 10 cm square. I don't memorize that. Okay, I just work it out on the spot. Okay, so I just recall, okay, 1000 meter equals to 1 kilometer, so 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So this is what I have. This is what usually I will recall first. Okay, and then since 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter, okay, 1000 meter times 100, okay, 100, okay, 1. Then we have this, okay, 10 to the power of 5 centimeter is equals to 1 kilometer. Okay, so kilometer square, you simply just multiply 10 to the power of 5 times 10 to the power of 5, which gives you 10 to the power of 10 cm square. Okay, great. So now you know that 1 kilometer square equals to 10 to the power of 10 cm square. So therefore, 6.25 kilometer square is equals to 6.25 kilometer square here is equals to 6.25 times 10 to the power of 10 centimeter square. Okay, so this is what you get here, and then if you square root it, you get this. So you just simply type into your calculator, or if you're fast enough, okay, you take 6.25. If you look at 6.25 divided square root of 6.25, it's actually 2.5, and then 2.5 you square root 10 to the power of 10 is 10 to the power of 5, which will give you this as well. So this is the linear scale, so this is the end answer. Okay, so this question is slightly trickier. Okay, so let's move on to the second part. So second part B here, okay, it says that map Q has a scale, so now you're introduced to another new map. Okay, and then map P, so what happened is that on map P, a road is measured 2.4 on map P. Okay, so they want you to find in centimeters, okay, very important, the length representing this road on map P, map Q. So you want to find the map length on Q, okay? So well, obviously you want to find the actual length of the road first, right, on from P. Okay, so you want to find the actual length. So you know that the map is 2.4. Okay, and then recall that from the previous part A. Okay, we got this answer here. So recall that. So if your answer in part A is wrong, and then you move on and then you did this, right, this part here, right, and then your answer is obviously different if you get this part wrong, then you probably get marks for method, maybe 1 mark, but that's about it. You won't get the full marks for it. Okay, so make sure that you check your first part and then make sure that you get the second part correct. Okay, good. So map P has a scale of this. Okay, this is from part A. Okay, and then so the actual length is 2.4. So 2.4 here times 250,000, which is this. Okay, so because you know that on the map 1 cm represent 250,000 cm in real life, right? So you want to find what is it about in real life. You want to find out what is 2.4 centimeters in real life. So you times this both. Okay, then you want to find the length of the road on Q, map Q. So on the map, so how the length on the map, right? So you got the actual one, okay, which is you got the scale here, which is 1:400,000. Okay, this is from the scale. So I like to draw this arrow so it's easier. This is from the scale. Okay, 1:400,000. Okay, so what is it that how many centimeters is it? Does it have to be for it to be, sorry, this is 600,000 in real life. So basically you're doing the opposite way. You want to go back to work backwards. So you want to find, okay, so given the actual length is 600,000 centimeter in real life, what is the map length? So what you do is that you can find in 1 cm in real life is this 1/400,000 on the map. Okay, then therefore 600,000 centimeter is equal to 600,000 divided by this, or you can think it as 600,000 times 1/400,000. So therefore the length on the map Q is this. Okay, after you work it out, you get this. So it's quite straightforward if you look at it this way. Okay, so basically you just think about it. 1 cm on a map is 400,000 in actual life. So in actual, if it's 600,000, how many would it be on the map? So first you have to find 1 cm first. Okay, in actual, which is 1 divided by 400,000. Okay, then you times 600,000. So I hope this is useful. This question is slightly more challenging, but I hope you guys can get it. Okay, thank you.